Today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on your PC using Google in the easiest way possible. If you've been trying to get CapCut on Windows and you want the safest, fastest method, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type CapCut desktop website. This is important because you want to make sure you're downloading the official version, not a random third-party copy. Once the results appear, look for the official CapCut desktop page to continue. When the CapCut website opens, you should see the download option for the desktop app. Look for the button that says Download for free. This is the button you need to click to start downloading the Windows version of CapCut. Depending on your browser, the file may begin downloading immediately, or it may ask you to confirm the download. If that happens, just allow it and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or check the bottom of your browser window for the downloaded file. You should see a CapCut installer file with a .exe extension. That means it's the setup file for Windows. Double-click the .exe's file to open it and begin the installation process. If Windows shows a security prompt, that's normal. It may ask if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Just review the prompt and click Yes or Allow so the installer can run. After that, the CapCut setup window will open. Now follow the on-screen prompts carefully. In most cases, you'll just need to click through the installation steps and confirm the default settings. When you see the Install button, click it to begin installing CapCut on your PC. The installation may take a few moments depending on your computer speed and internet connection. Once the installation finishes, you can open CapCut right away from the installer window or find it in your Start menu or desktop shortcuts. At that point, CapCut is ready to use on your PC, and you can start editing videos immediately. So to quickly recap, the full process is simple. Search for the official CapCut desktop website on Google. Click Download for free, open the downloaded .exe installer, follow the prompts, and click Install. That's all it takes to get CapCut on your computer. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.